get some of these later.
So can I have one?
Right now? I don't. Okay, fine.
Let's.
Let's.
That's it, either.
Okay, it's fine. We've opened it now. We don't have to talk anymore. We can just eat.
Okay, let's eat.
What?
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 There's a car key in here,
What?
Mum.
What?
No, what? No, I don't understand. What's happening? No, I don't get it. No, I don't understand. No, but I don't understand. Just can you explain to me, please?
What? I don't know.
It's a car key!
Maybe you should look in the garage, Ishi.
No, this is no. I don't want to say. Should I go and look at the camera? Yeah. Oh my god. Oh my god. You guys are ridiculous. Did you have to eat something after it to make space?
Yeah.
I've been did.
Oh my god. What are you guys doing?
Oh yeah. Oh, nice.
Oh my god. What? 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 It's a car! No! Really? No! You can't! You can't! Oh my goodness! I don't know what car it is though.
It doesn't matter.
Okay. Oh my god, it's been filled with balloons! That's awesome! Oh my god.
Get in. Drive it out. Drive it out for us.
Oh my god, how many balloons are there?
That was me and Dad blowing them up this morning.
Now you can see properly.
Okay, wait, so I have to put it in, okay? Yes, I did it!
Sorry?
I did it! Huh?